Say goodbye to belly fat, the ultimate guide to shredding pounds and improving your health. Welcome to our video on how to lose belly fat. In this video, we will be discussing the causes of belly fat and the steps you can take to reduce it fast. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, accumulates around the abdominal area. It can be a difficult type of fat to lose, but it is also the most dangerous, as it has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. There are several factors that contribute to the accumulation of belly fat, including genetics, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and stress. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to reduce belly fat and improve your overall health. The first step in reducing belly fat is to make changes to your diet. A diet that is high in processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars can contribute to belly fat. Instead, focus on eating a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense and can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help to reduce your calorie intake and promote weight loss. Next, make sure you're getting enough physical activity. Regular exercise can help to boost your metabolism and burn calories, which can aid in weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity physical activity, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, every day. Strength training, such as weightlifting, can also be beneficial as it can help to tone your muscles and increase your overall muscle mass. In addition to diet and exercise, managing stress can also play a role in reducing belly fat. Stress triggers the release of the hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. Try to find ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Another important factor in reducing belly fat is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, leading to weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. It's also important to note that spot reduction of fat is not possible, meaning that you cannot target a specific area in your body to lose fat. However, by losing overall body fat, you will also lose visceral fat. Incorporating healthy habits such as intermittent fasting, consuming more protein, and reducing refined carbs intake can also aid in reducing belly fat. One important tip to keep in mind is to focus on building muscle mass. Building muscle helps to boost your metabolism and burn calories even when you're at rest. Strength training exercises such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance bands are all effective ways to build muscle and reduce belly fat. In addition to that, be mindful of the timing of your meals. Eating your largest meal earlier in the day and having smaller meals as the day goes on can help melt body fat. Eating a high-protein breakfast and avoiding late-night snacking can also aid in reducing abdominal fat. Drinking enough water is also crucial in reducing belly fat. Water helps in flushing out toxins, aids in digestion, and can suppress appetite. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. It is quite important to note that you may not see results immediately and it might take some time to see a significant change. However, by sticking to healthy habits and remaining consistent, you will see results in the long run. Lastly, always remember that losing belly fat is not just about looking good. It is also about improving your overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, make sure to stay motivated and stay the course, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Before attempting to lose belly fat, try and consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for advice in determining the best approach for you and your specific needs. In conclusion, losing belly fat is not an easy task, but it is definitely possible. By making changes to your diet, increasing physical activity, managing stress, getting enough sleep, drinking enough water, building muscle mass, being mindful of the timing of your meals, and consulting with a professional, you can take steps to reduce belly fat and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, and it might take some time to see results. Stay motivated and stay the course, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching our video on how to lose belly fat. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also the bell icon so that you can be notified the minute we post a new video. Also like and share the video so that it can be shown to others like you trying to lose weight. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.